Welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's lesson, you will practice a slow English conversation designed to help you communicate more naturally in everyday life.
Following the complete conversation will strengthen your speaking and listening skills while expanding your vocabulary, improving pronunciation, increasing fluency, and building confidence.
Listen attentively, repeat each sentence clearly, and practice along to develop accurate and natural English communication.
Stay focused, enjoy the learning process, and challenge yourself to speak with confidence. Now let's start the conversation.
How are you today?
I am feeling fine.
How are you today?
I am feeling fine.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I enjoy tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I enjoy tea.
What time do you wake?
I wake at 6.
What time do you wake?
I wake at 6.
Do you watch TV daily?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you watch TV daily?
Yes, I watch TV.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you go shopping often?
Yes, I shop weekly.
Do you go shopping often?
Yes, I shop weekly.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at home.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at home.
Do you read books nightly?
Yes, I read books.
Do you read books nightly?
Yes, I read books.
How do you spend weekends?
I spend weekends relaxing.
How do you spend weekends?
I spend weekends relaxing.
Do you enjoy walking outside?
Yes, I enjoy walking.
Do you enjoy walking outside?
Yes, I enjoy walking.
What music do you listen?
I listen to pop music.
What music do you listen?
I listen to pop music.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media.
Which app do you use most?
I use Instagram most.
Which app do you use most?
I use Instagram most.
Do you check emails daily?
Yes, I check emails.
Do you check emails daily?
Yes, I check emails.
What is your morning routine?
My routine is shower first.
What is your morning routine?
My routine is shower first.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Yes, I cook breakfast.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Yes, I cook breakfast.
What do you eat mornings?
I eat eggs mornings.
What do you eat mornings?
I eat eggs mornings.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink water.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink water.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep 7 hours.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep 7 hours.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise daily.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise daily.
What sport do you like most?
I like soccer most.
What sport do you like most?
I like soccer most.
Do you play games online?
Yes, I play online games.
Do you play games online?
Yes, I play online games.
Which movie did you watch last?
I watched a comedy movie.
Which movie did you watch last?
I watched a comedy movie.
Do you visit friends weekly?
Yes, I visit friends.
Do you visit friends weekly?
Yes, I visit friends.
Where do you usually travel?
I travel to nearby towns.
Where do you usually travel?
I travel to nearby towns.
Do you take buses often?
Yes, I take buses.
Do you take buses often?
Yes, I take buses.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you wear jeans daily?
Yes, I wear jeans.
Do you wear jeans daily?
Yes, I wear jeans.
Which shoes do you prefer?
I prefer sneakers shoes.
Which shoes do you prefer?
I prefer sneakers shoes.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rain.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rain.
What do you do evenings?
I watch shows evenings.
What do you do evenings?
I watch shows evenings.
Do you call family daily?
Yes, I call family.
Do you call family daily?
Yes, I call family.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
Do you eat rice often?
Yes, I eat rice.
Do you eat rice often?
Yes, I eat rice.
Which restaurant do you visit most?
I visit Italian restaurant.
Which restaurant do you visit most?
I visit Italian restaurant.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy.
What snacks do you enjoy?
I enjoy chip snacks.
What snacks do you enjoy?
I enjoy chip snacks.
Do you buy clothes monthly?
Yes, I buy clothes.
Do you buy clothes monthly?
Yes, I buy clothes.
Which shop do you prefer?
I prefer local shop.
Which shop do you prefer?
I prefer local shop.
Do you use a laptop daily?
Yes, I use laptop.
Do you use a laptop daily?
Yes, I use laptop.
What apps help your work?
Email apps help work.
What apps help your work?
Email apps help work.
Do you write notes often?
Yes, I write notes.
Do you write notes often?
Yes, I write notes.
Which pen do you use?
I use black pen.
Which pen do you use?
I use black pen.
Do you like reading news?
Yes, I read news.
Do you like reading news?
Yes, I read news.
What newspaper do you read?
I read local newspaper.
What newspaper do you read?
I read local newspaper.
Do you check weather daily?
Yes, I check weather.
Do you check weather daily?
Yes, I check weather.
What season do you like best?
I like spring best.
What season do you like best?
I like spring best.
Do you enjoy summer holidays?
Yes, I enjoy summer.
Do you enjoy summer holidays?
Yes, I enjoy summer.
Where do you go vacations?
I go vacations abroad.
Where do you go vacations?
I go vacations abroad.
Do you like beaches more?
Yes, I like beaches.
Do you like beaches more?
Yes, I like beaches.
Which mountain have you visited?
I visited Rocky Mountain.
Which mountain have you visited?
I visited Rocky Mountain.
Do you take photos often?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you take photos often?
Yes, I take photos.
What camera do you use?
I use phone camera.
What camera do you use?
I use phone camera.
Do you share pictures online?
Yes, I share pictures.
Do you share pictures online?
Yes, I share pictures.
Which social site do you prefer?
I prefer Facebook site.
Which social site do you prefer?
I prefer Facebook site.
Do you watch sports matches?
Yes, I watch sports.
Do you watch sports matches?
Yes, I watch sports.
Which team do you support?
I support Lakers team.
Which team do you support?
I support Lakers team.